Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. No, and actually this did come in the mail, but this is what to do with your instant noodles. Yeah, so anyways, we've got one from Indonesia. This is Selera Pedas from ABC. This is their Rasa Ayam Pedas Lemau. This is a hot chicken lime flavor mee goreng. This came by way of Ferengi from Australia. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And we are going to prepare this today because that's what you do. So that's what it's doing. It's preparing. So yeah, I can tell it's already getting colder, nastier, gross outside. Chilly. Oh, that helps. And yeah, I'm gonna be done with this. I've got a window of 1 hour, and that's when our grocery order will show up. So that's rad. It's 1:51. It's between 2 and 3. Hopefully that beep that I just heard wasn't them delivering it early. Well, yeah, we've been in a real... We've had money problems lately, and it's been like... Till now, it's like it started in like October, and now it's mid-January, and we're starting to like... It's like her second paycheck, basically, we went and we stocked up on everything that we regularly use. Like, we did that last night, and we went to Costco and just spent a ton of money, and then she did a Walmart order, and we're going to hopefully go to the grocery store down here. They got a really good deal on soup. I eat crap loads of soup. Like, every night, I take soup, I mix some rice with it, have a little cheese on top, and that's what I have for dinner, like, every night. But... like Progresso soup, they'll have that there for like $5 a can. And oh god, it's getting windy too. Ugh. Cold. Bitter cold. But yeah, it's like buy 2 get 3 free. That's 5 cans. If they're $5 a can, that's $10 for 5 cans. That's like $2 a can. That's really good for that stuff. Although I can still say, without a doubt, spend $2 for a can of soup? That seems expensive to me. I've more than once gone to look and see if there's any sale on soup, and gone to that aisle and seen somebody just standing there looking like, what the heck is going on? $5 a can for soup? Somebody was like, I work at Trader Joe's and our stuff's not even this expensive. I'm like, right? So, yeah, kind of wacky. So, just a quick thing. I do Amazon affiliate stuff. So if you go on this review on www.theramenraider.com, you see an Amazon link and you click it and you buy that or something else, I get a little commission, right? Well, Amazon, through their genius, decided to make all the links that had that go away. They made it so they would not work. They took the images away and they took out the functionality. A lot of people are speculating that means they want to get rid of their affiliate program, which I think is kind of stupid, because if you've got all these people that are trying to get people to spend money on Amazon, why would you know? But anyways, yeah, it's like, I didn't get notified about it, or if I did, I certainly didn't see it. But I don't think I got a notification of any type about it. And so all the links that I had just kind of went, they turned, and it's like, there's no way I'm going through, like, I've been using that setup for the last maybe 1,000, 2,000 reviews. It's a real pain. It's like, oh, well, if you had your reviews going, or your posts with this, you just have to change this and this. It's like, actually, to make those things work again, you either have to pay for a WordPress plugin, which is like, no. And it's not just you pay for the WordPress plugin. They want like $10 a month for these things. Like you have to pay like a monthly licensing nut, and it's like no. Or you can do what I'm doing. I figured out a way around it. I don't know how great of that's going to work in the long run, but it's something. But yeah, if you go on my site and you see those things, you know, it's like yeah. Ooh, this one's not wanting to do what it needs to do. Yeah, that one there, that's the sweet soy sauce. If you ever get a sachet that's really, really not wanting to move, just run it over some hot water. That should do the trick, unless there's something wrong with it and it's like bad. But you gotta get that stuff moving. There we go. That's better. Yeah, a lot of them, you'll find ones that like it looks like it's gone bad, like it's all white. That's just oil, and when the oil gets too cold, it does that. So generally, you don't need to worry about it. What you need to worry about when you have sachets is if they're like bubbly. That's when you got a problem, because that means they're bad or there's something going on in there. But yeah, these things are used to living in a very warm climate. I'm not saying my house is cold, but it's definitely cooler than usual. Okay. But yeah, and one thing too is this sweet soy sauce is very, 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 very thick stuff. And it's sticky, and it's like molasses, really. Molasses in January, and it's January. Look at that. Yeah. Whoa. Good God. Well, that's about as good as I can get with the ketchup on this. Then we stir it, and stir it, and stir it. And we have mee goreng. Hot lime flavor mee goreng with some little crispy bits. This sounds good. Not a bad day for reviewing. Everything was kind of well behaved. Tasted pretty good. I will say yeah, the sweet soy sauce is not wanting to work so well. Alright, well, here's what you got. Can you see that? Yeah, there you go. So I'm going to give it a try. It seems to mostly just be sticking to the fork. But, mee goreng, cheers. Comes with a fork too. Yeah, it's good. I like that. I appreciate the flavor. Oh, here come the clouds. Yeah, we're gonna get some snow. Snow. Trying to find those crispy bits. There we go. There you go. Mee goreng. And then we need some spatchkin or spaction, spatula action, spaction. Put an egg. And I got some spring onion I'll put over here. Yeah, this is pretty good stuff. Again, thank you to Ferengi for sending this on over. I really appreciate that. She sent me stuff that I have never ever seen or been able to get. And amazingly, it gets through the mail, which is a great deal. There's a lot of this stuff, I don't know. Some things make it through, some things don't. There we go, that's good. I'm okay with that. And I'm trying to think what else to do. I'll put a little bit of fried onion on there. Right on the tippy top. And some crushed red pepper. All around. That works for me. All right, Rotato. Do your thing. Yeah, hot chicken lime. I like that. They should bring that over here. That's really good. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, helps me out, helps everybody out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.